Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Electronic Secret. In today's video I will show you how to fix TCL Smart TV black screen when sound is coming but backlights are okay. This problem is very common, viewers. I am powering it on and you can see that there is no display. In fact, its backlight are okay. You can check them by gently knocking the screen. There are two types of black screen, viewers. One is when your backlights are not okay, and second is when your backlights are okay but sound is coming. Viewers, I have many videos on how to fix black screen of TCL TV. Link will be given in the description and on I button. This is a TCL LS32S4900 TV. Firstly, we have to open this. Open all the screws on the back cover. Now the screws are open and I will lift the back cover. Here, viewers, you can see that there is a connector between the back cover and the motherboard. Remove it. This is the scalar PCB or T-con board. So we have problem in this area because our backlights are okay but the display is not coming. So this is the main part that gives us display. Now I will attach the back cover connector again to check the voltages on this T-con PCB. There are 6 to 7 voltages on this, viewers. We will check them one by one, but before that, firstly we have to power on, and then the first voltage we have to check is the V in, that is 12 volt. So ground the negative probe and put the meter on DC voltage range. Now power on the TV and check the input of the T-con PCB. We have to get 12 volt here. Viewers, input voltages are okay, but on the other side of the fuse we are not getting 12 volts. So our fuse is open. It may be due to shortage, so before installing the new fuse we will check its other voltages test points with the ground. So that now power off the TV and check the fuse on continuity mode. You can see that we are getting no beep, so our fuse is open. Now we will check the other voltages with the ground connection, that there is some short with the ground. So check all the voltages one by one, that are VGH, VGL, VCC, VDD, VCOM. If there is any short, so you have to fix this. You have to remove the shorted component. I have checked all the voltages, viewers. They are not shorted with ground. So problem is with some other part. So our DC to DC voltages are okay. And now we have to check manually one by one all the SMD capacitors for some shortage. Viewers, after checking I have found this SMD PF capacitor short. I am removing this. So now, viewers, I have removed the open fuse and the shorted PF capacitor, probably the component that was giving no display. So I will check it on continuity mode with the multimeter. It will give beep. You can hear that it is giving beep, viewers. So it is short. We have to install a new one and remove it from another PCB. that was on the same line. It was on HVAA. Viewers, you can use, if you have not the same board or like the same board, you can use almost the same size capacitor. It will work. But firstly, try to find the exact part number. So we have the new capacitor, and now we are looking for a replacement fuse that have same amps. This is 3 ampere. I am taking it from another salvage PCB. These circuits are very useful, viewers, if you are in this field. You can find many parts that are not available in the market or online. So keep them. I have installed the fuse. Now I will check the continuity. It is giving the beep. Now it is okay. Now I will install the PF capacitor that I have removed from my used PCB. So viewers, on my channel I will give you tips and tricks to save your money. In the market you have to pay for this almost 4,000 5,000. You can fix it on home in free. Now connect the LVDS cable, and now it's time for checking. Our fuse and PCB is installed. Now we will test it by powering it on. You can see that our display have come back and the problem of black screen has been fixed. So viewers, this method will work on all LED TVs, irrespective of the brand or model. You can use this method on all TVs. Keep watching my channel and like the videos. Also subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching, viewers. Goodbye.